Hello students, today we will learn about rectification of one-sided errors. As you all know that one-sided errors will affect only one account, either the debit side or the credit side. Okay, now one-sided errors are of two types, or they can be subdivided into two categories. That is, one's category A, that is when the errors are detected or it is found out before the preparation or closing of the accounts, that is before preparation of trial balance and opening of suspense account. That means before we are preparing the trial balance, we come to know the errors and we can rectify it. So that is one context of it. And the other one is number B, when the errors are detected or they are found out after the preparation of trial balance and opening of suspense account. Okay, so there are two perspectives or two types of errors regarding one-sided errors. And today I'll discuss with you in details type A with some examples. Okay, so let us get into further. Okay, so here I have got the first transaction of one-sided errors when it is found out before preparation of trial balance. Okay, so first one is purchase book is undercast by rupees 2000. Now from this transaction you can make out that only purchase book is being undercasted. That means it is running in it is falling short of 2000 rupees. So what we will do is we'll simply write in the purchase account this statement, that is to undercasting of purchase book rupees 2000 in the debit side. Since it is undercasted, it is less, that means we have to debit it, purchase account. Okay, so this is one-sided error which is found out before preparation of trial balance. Next we move on to example number 2. So here we have a transaction which has been omitted. That means we have not recorded it in the ledgers. So purchase of rupees 3000 from Mr. Y has been omitted to be posted to his account. So what happens is, in this case only purchase account has no problem because we have already posted it in the purchase account, but in Mr. Y's account we have not posted it. So this involves only one account, that is ledger account of Y. Okay, so what will happen is how we'll rectify it, we'll write it as we have not recorded it, so we'll write it in the credit side by omission in posting rupees 3000 as we have purchased from Mr. Y for rupees 3000. Okay, so the correct entry should have been that purchase account debit to Y account. Okay, so in if we are making buy if we are preparing Y account, ledger account for Y, so there we will write buy purchase. So but we have not written it, so that is why we have to write it as a rectifying statement by omission in posting 3000. Okay, so this is number 2. Now we move to number 3. Okay, so number 3 is purchase from Akash rupees 20,000 was recorded as rupees 25,000 to his account. So in this case what is happening is we have recorded by mistake the wrong value. Okay, so the difference, since we have recorded much higher value, so we take the difference of it and we simply write it in the debit side of Akash account. That means his actual account was being overcasted, isn't it? So we have to make it less, so we have to write it in the debit side. So rectifying effect will be, we have to make Akash account, in the Akash account we will write in the debit side to excess amount on credit side rupees 5000. So you have to mention this statement as well as you have to show it in the ledger account, concerned ledger account. Okay, in this case, in case of one-sided errors before preparation of trial balance. Okay, now next number 4 we have rupees 1000 received from Shyam was wrongly posted to the debit side of his account. Now always remember, whenever there is like this type of things mentioned, that is wrongly debited or wrongly credited, that means wrong posting has been done. So always you have to add up the amounts. Okay, so we have by mistake we have done it in the debit side, so simply we have to write it in the credit side and we have to double the amount, or we have to simply do the addition of the amounts. So we'll write it as by posting in the wrong side of sham account in the credit side, and the value is 2000. Okay. Now we move on to the next type. Okay, number 5, we have credit sales to A for rupees 2000 was credited as rupees 3000. So this affects only A's account. The sales book is having no error. So only sales account has to be sorry, so only ledger account of A has to be rectified. And since I told you that it is a mistake of wrong side as well as wrong amount, so we have to add it. So we are adding both the amounts, 2000 plus 3000, and as it was credited, so we have to write in the debit side of A's account to error in posting to wrong side with wrong amount. This statement has to be written on the credit side along with the amount which has been which has been added together. Okay, so these are the few examples of one-sided errors before preparation of trial balance. Now next day I will discuss about one-sided errors after preparation of trial balance and how we are supposed to rectify those using suspense account. Okay, so till this much, if you face any problem, please feel free to ask me your doubts. Thank you, children.